Well, I just got here. I was hoping to be able to go camp down this road, but it looks a little too overgrown to be able to get my truck down through here, because I wanted to go here because there was like an old abandoned rock quarry right here. I thought it'd be kind of cool to go see, but I guess we gotta find someplace else to camp. I think what I'm going to do is just send the drone up and try to see what is over there in the quarry area and see, I don't know. I mean, I think it's just abandoned, but I'm not going to know until we find out. So let's check it out. All right, well, I got the drone back. That's cool though. I mean, it looks like there's porta potties over there and there's heavy equipment and stuff, but everything's blocked off. So I don't know really what's going on with that, but it was kind of cool to see. I tried to drop the drone down into the quarry a little bit and get closer to the heavy equipment, but it quickly lost signal, and I thought I lost the drone altogether, but I just went up, and eventually it grabbed the signal again, and I was able to get it back before the battery died. So I lucked out big time there. I need to find camp soon. Everywhere I've pulled off that looks good to stay the night doesn't have service, and since I camp alone, I make sure that I have service in case there's an emergency. I don't know, it looks like it's gonna rain, it's getting late. I hope I can find something. It might not be the best spot if I do find something though. I finally found a spot, had 1 bar of service, and I just got out of the truck and I wasn't even here for 5 minutes, and somebody drove by and yelled at the top of their lungs, "Don't camp there." I don't know what to do. I'm running out of daylight here. I guess we're just gonna keep going down the road, but I'm running out of places to go. I think I'm gonna get into a residential area, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. Dang it. I don't know. There's Mason. Say hi, Mason boy. So it was just a little crooked, the truck, but I think that rock did it. It should be straight now. I totally forgot my generator cover. I always cover it before I go on a dirt road like this, and I totally forgot. And last time I did this, I had to replace the entire carburetor, so I'm hoping it still works right now. Well, she started up, so that's a good sign. It seems to be running pretty smooth, so hopefully I didn't drive too fast to get too much dirt clogged in there. Must have just been like surface dust on the outside. Cool.
Let's get the air conditioning.
So I'm having issues with my main camera that I use to film everything for this channel. I don't know what's going on with it. It's working as long as I don't move it around too much. So any kind of like moving shots, I think I'm gonna go ahead and just film on my phone like this. But the good news is you guys get some different angles. Look, this is behind the scenes. You don't ever get to see this direction. So I mean, it could be good, it could be bad. We'll see what happens. I'm gonna just try it out on this video. Anyways, just letting you know. So I'm just noticing this now. This is my water switch for my water pump. Check this out. Every time I turn it on, all the lights in the whole RV shut off. So I don't know what that's all about. I guess I don't have any water. It's kind of a bummer because now I don't have running water. I mean, I have some bottles of water for drinking, but that's all I got. I don't know. Hopefully just, I don't know. I don't know what to do. I don't know. Come here, buddy. You hungry? Yeah. Get some food right here. It's good. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna have like a hamburger in a bowl is what I'm gonna make. So basically just have some beef and then the condiments that you would normally put on a cheeseburger, and then I also have lettuce, but it's still in the fridge. But anyways, we're gonna get this rolling here. I'm gonna go ahead and start rounding up the hamburger and then get that onion cut up. Throw a little garlic on there. Oh, it smells so good. The hamburger's almost done, so I'm gonna go ahead and get the bowl ready. So I'm gonna put some salad in the bottom of it. Oh, almost forgot. I don't have any tomatoes, so I'm gonna put some tomato sauce in the pan. We'll go ahead and put the hamburger in now so it melts the cheese. It barely even looks good. But once I stir it up, it's gonna taste really good. It's gonna taste just like a cheeseburger. It's kind of hot in here still. It's getting pretty late. It's like already 8:15. I kind of thought it'd be a little cooler than this tonight, but I mean, it's doable. It's just probably in the mid 80s, I'm thinking, in here. Gotta get my propane out. I don't really ever carry an extra tank. I just use the tank that I use the stove with.
Decent boy. Come here. At night, I like to keep the leash on them, just in case something happens, or I don't know, gets startled by a coyote or something just shows up. Then at least I know he's going to be close and not just like dart or take off. So yeah, just a safety thing at night. So I'd like to thank all the new subscribers, and I mean, of course, the original subscribers, but as of right this second, from when I'm saying this, it's just a few days past a video, 2 videos back for you guys. I've just been non-stop replying to you guys' comments and just enjoying the heck out of them. Just you guys all have so much positive stuff to say about Kenny's channel and about my channel, and I'm just so excited that you guys, I don't know, that we're gonna get to start knowing each other, you know. And I love the comments, like I said before, so just leave me anything, even just say hi, because I just like hearing from you guys, and the more I hear from you guys, the more I get to know you. I think it's time to go in. Oh, sorry, bud. Rip this off butt mat. What do you see?
You're all proud of yourself because you scared a whole herd of sheep off, didn't you? Good boy. We're safe from the sheep. I was getting worried there for a second. Okay, now they're all gone, huh?
Good morning. Beautiful morning out. Got woke up by some sheep coming through camp, but that's totally fine with me. I thought it was pretty cool, and it's beautiful this morning. It was a little hot right at first when the sun was below the clouds, but now the sun's kind of up and above the clouds, and it's kind of overcast. I think it's like 30% chance of rain today, which I hope it rains. It'd be great. But right now it's perfect outside, and I'm enjoying the morning so far.
All right, well, it's time to head out. It wasn't a super eventful little overnight trip, but that's okay. Sometimes I prefer to just be relaxing and take in nature and something nice like making cookies in the morning. I don't know when the last time I've ever done that was, so I don't know. It was peaceful. I enjoyed it. I hope you guys did too. If you did, please like the video. Maybe send me a little comment. Just even say hi. I'd appreciate it a lot. So till next time, I'll see you guys then. Bye.